Initially, I started this process by unfortunately cracking my tooth. I had a root canal done and a crown placed. After that, I waited about 5 years and I started having more pain. So I went back for a revision of my root canal, and the doctor at that point said that my tooth was not going to be able to be saved because there was a leak. So he recommended that I extract my tooth, but due to my experience, I just waited about 10 years. And then I finally met Dr. Cho. I looked at her reviews and I came to check it out. The team, from the moment that you cross the door, they just make you feel very welcome. They're very polite. The first time that I came, they offered me tea, water, anything. They make you feel very comfortable. They made me feel so welcome, so at ease. She, showed me what the process would be like, answered all my questions. I had a lot of questions, and she just made it so simple, so easy that I actually wanted to come in. I thought it was going to take much longer than it did. It was really quick, and I didn't feel any pain. They prepped me, put the screw in, and then we had to wait a couple months until the bone would attach the screw. They checked to see how the bone was attached. It was good. They checked the screw. They took an implant of what my crown is going to look like, and then I came on the last time to get the crown placed in. No pain, nothing. Dr. Cho has equipment here to make her own crowns, so it was pretty fast. It was so convenient. I didn't have to go from doctor to doctor and then back and forth. So that made it even more convenient. It's a seamless process. I've had past experiences where I've had a crown put in and then it's so uncomfortable that I have to go several times back just so that it can be shaved down or placed better. This time, she made sure that my crown was completely fit in, it was comfortable. Of course, she said if you need to come back and adjust it a little bit, we can do that. But I didn't have to do that. She's so precise in her work that it feels like I never lost a tooth, really. She has all the equipment here to get the work done instead of referring me to somebody else and coming back and forth. So that was, for me, it was a game changer. That was another reason why I decided to, from the first time, go ahead and do it. She's been so amazing that even when I asked her to record my implant being placed in, she grabbed one of her girls and said, yeah, just record it. She just makes you feel amazing. I'm telling you, I'm making more appointments just for cleaning because I want to come in, not because I need them.